Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making seashell ornaments, and we're staining them in beautiful colors with unicorn spit sparkling. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some seashell ornaments. I'm going to leave a link below in the description of all the products I used for this video, including the cup chain and the unicorn spit sparkling. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.